DJI Flip Fly More Combo. The selfie drone that might just outfilm Spielberg, now with 93 minutes flight. Ever wanted a drone that makes you look like an action star without lifting a finger? The DJI Flip Fly More Combo ain't your average flying camera, it's your sky-high sidekick with Hollywood-level instincts. Palm takeoff? No remote? Just raise your hand like a Jedi, and boom, you're airborne. Its 4K UHD camera and 48MP stills capture you like you're starring in a perfume commercial on top of a mountain. And guess what? You can literally throw it in your backpack, foldable propellers and all. No FAA license? No problem. It's under 249 grams and totally chill with airspace rules. You ever seen a drone stalk you, in a good way? DJI Flip uses subject tracking so well, it's like it's emotionally attached, without the need for therapy. Whether you're hiking, biking, running from exes, or flexin at a rooftop party, this drone keeps you in frame and in focus with DirectionTrack, spotlight, circle, and even a Dronie mode. And when you're done, auto return brings it back like a loyal boomerang. MasterShots edits clips for you, with music. It's practically a flying editor that doesn't complain about deadlines or ask for coffee breaks. 3 batteries. 93 glorious minutes of airtime. That's longer than most Netflix episodes and double the time of rival drones gasping at 20 minutes. The Fly More combo isn't just a flex, it's your all-day aerial toolkit. Comes packed with a charging hub, shoulder bag, propeller guards, spares, gimbal protector, RC2 high bright screen controller, you name it. Sure, you'll want the DJI 30 watts or 65 watts charger, sold separately, but trust, this thing is plug-and-play cinema for creators, vloggers, travelers, or anyone sick of shaky phone footage. Why drop stacks on gear that can't hang with your energy? This drone delivers crisp 4K at 60 frames per second HDR video and gorgeous stills with its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Translation? Daylight, sunset, low light, the footage slaps. Oh, for transmission gets you up to 8 miles of range. 8 miles. And don't sleep on the built-in propeller guards, safety never looked this sleek. Whether you're a first-time flyer or a drone-savvy creative, this beast delivers top-tier performance without the pilot school learning curve. Affordable? Yup. Durable? You bet. Worth it? Without question. DJI Flip's build quality screams premium but doesn't beat your wallet into submission. This is the go anywhere, shoot anything, no regret drone for adults who want grown-up toys with professional results. Compared to the competition, it's lighter, smarter, tougher, and frankly, cooler. If you're not flying this, you're probably still chasing your drone like it owes you money. Get the Flip. Let the sky be your tripod.